Hey, it's Coach Maggie with another Soul Food Sunday. And today I want to talk about the importance of being an overcomer. You know, all through the Bible, we see story after story after story of people who overcame obstacles. Things were in their way, but they did not give up. We see it in David, we see it in Joseph, we see it in many of the good kings, and most of all, we see it in Jesus and all that he did for us. When Satan thought, I've got him, Jesus was able to overcome. And it's a lesson to us. We are going to face so many challenges, and many of you have had a difficult year. You have faced things. You faced loss. You have faced disappointment. You faced sadness and loneliness and any number of things. But the thing is, we have the ability with Christ in us to overcome those things. I think part of the thing that maybe makes it hard is the enemy wants to put on us a sense of failure. But I believe that God is standing there saying, I'm going to help you up. Yes, you didn't get that raise. Yes, this was a challenge. Yes, finances are hard. Yes, this relationship is really a challenge right now. You're going through a rough patch, but I am here with you. Especially if you have children, grandchildren, you know that you're there cheering them on. Think of a toddler when they're learning to walk. We don't yell and snap because they've fallen. No, we reach out a hand. And the Lord is wanting to reach out to each of us to say, I want to help you up. The thing is, as we go through those challenges, they're an opportunity for us to be stronger. Think of trying to hold your breath. You know, as kids, we like to do that and see who can hold their breath the longest. But you continue to practice that and practice that. Eventually, you can hold it so much longer than the person who doesn't. But how do they get from only holding it for a few short seconds to holding it a long, long time? Think of divers that are in training to rescue. They've got to practice that. They have to build up their lungs. It isn't something that happens overnight. But again, it's only in doing that we become stronger. All four of my kids ran track for at least some time, but 3 ran all through school and into college. But it's running race after race after race that makes you stronger. Not running once and going, up, I didn't accomplish it. Up, I'm not fast enough. No, it is those practice, the repeat, repeat, repeat. And in life, we so quickly are ready to give up. I just want to encourage you today. We are overcomers, and it's in the midst of the struggles, whether they're health, financial, career, relational, your personal life. It's in those challenges that we have the opportunity to become stronger when we don't give up. So what is it that you're facing? We can dwell on yesterday, last year, last month. We can dwell on the past, or we can glean from the past. Take out those things that we can use and then move forward, trying to figure out, what can I do different? What can I learn from this? So go into this new week thinking, I know that I am an overcomer. I have Christ living in me. So what does that mean for me today, this week? Go out and be blessed. Take care.